Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in AhleBait High School in the Junior College. Welcome to a series of the lectures of 9th class maths. What did we learn? We learned with the basic polynomials, we learned the basic things such as linear equations, right? And we learned about few things like lines and angles and all other things. Today we are going to start a new chapter and one of the most basic and important chapter, that is coordinate geometry, right? What is this coordinate geometry? However, we always know geometry as something called as lines and angles, constructions like that, right? From now we are going to learn geometry in terms of graphical representation, that is we are going to plot each and every figure. Okay, shall we start? See here, the name itself indicates that there are few coordinates. What are those coordinates? Why are they called as so? Okay, see here, let us consider this is whole a 2D plane. 2D plane in the sense 2-dimensional. Okay, what does that mean? For example, if I take this board, what are the dimensions I have? I will have only one length and one more breadth. Yes, I have only two directions. Okay, then I can divide the whole plane or else the whole sheet into 4 parts by drawing these two lines. Okay, these two lines, hope you all know that. Okay, this is the horizontal line. Horizontal line actually called as axis. Okay, that is nothing but this horizontal line or simply called as x-axis. Clear? What about this? This is the vertical line or simply called as y-axis. Yes or no? These both x and y axis meet at a point. This is called as origin. Is it fine? Did you understand? Once again let me tell. We are dividing the whole plane sheet or else whole plane something. Let us take some paper. We are dividing it into 4 parts by drawing two lines. What are these lines called as? One is horizontal line, that is called as x-axis. One is vertical line called as y-axis. Axis singular. If I want to write plural, this becomes axis. Simply it is called as xy axis. Is it clear? Right. What is this each part called as? Each part is called as quadrant. Okay. Remember, whenever we are going to count or going to move from one quadrant to another quadrant, we always go in a anti-clockwise direction. Is it right? That is, if I say this as quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, this is quadrant 3 and this is quadrant 4. These names are fixed. Don't shuffle them. Is it clear? Once again, see here, the whole plane is divided into 4 parts by drawing two lines. Each line is called as axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis, and this both axes meet at a point called as origin. And this each plane or this each part of a plane is called as quadrant, and whenever we move, we always move in a anti-clockwise direction. Clear? This is quadrant 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. Fine? Good. Now, and one more thing. If you remember, number line, right? How it will be? If this is 0 in between, the right side will always have positive numbers, left side will always have negative numbers. Clear? Similarly, here also we'll have all positive digits on right hand side and negative digits on left hand side. Clear? Yes or no? Which means the right hand side will be always increasing and the left side will be always decreasing. Clear? If I want to take height, how do we do? Upwards will be positive and the downwards will be negative. Therefore, this will be +1, +2, 3, 4 like that. Here it is -1, -2, -3 like that. Is it clear? Yes or no? From this, we are going to point some point or some plane, right? If I say there is some point like this here, if you see I am in the 2 line and I am in the 4 line. Then how do I represent this point? This point is always represented in the form of a bracket, that is x comma y. Clear? In the form of a bracket. This is a open bracket. Okay? Yes or no? X comma y. What is this x? X is called as x coordinate, right? And y is called as y coordinate, and this both together called as coordinates. Clear? These are the coordinates of a point. Now what can I write this? What is the x coordinate here? 4. What is y coordinate? 2. Therefore this point can be written as 4 comma 2. Is it clear? Is it not easy to remember? The only thing is plotting. Okay? Is it right? Did you understand? Once again, see here. If there is some point, let us say some 3 comma minus 2. What is 3? 3 is x coordinate. Where is it? Here it is. Okay? Then y is minus 2. Where is minus 2? Here. Now let us join them. Here is a point. This is 3 comma minus 2. Yes or no? Can you plot that? Fine. What is x coordinate here? 3. What is y coordinate? 2. Is it right? Fine. And for x coordinate there is one more name called as abscissa. For y coordinate there is one more name just called as ordinate. Just ordinate. Clear? Did you understand all the things? Yes? Shall we start? Fine. Before going to the exercise, once again let me tell, the whole plane is divided into 4 parts by drawing 2 lines. What are these lines called as? The horizontal line is called as x-axis, the vertical line is called as y-axis, and the intersecting point is called as origin. Origin. Now tell me what are the x coordinates for this? 0 for x-axis, 0 also for y-axis. Therefore 0 comma 0 is origin. Okay, and each part is called as quadrant, and whenever we move, we always move in anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise below the direction which is opposite to the normal clock. Okay, fine. Each part is called as quadrant, and there are 4 quadrants: Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Okay, and after that, whatever the points we take, the points are always positive on the right hand side and in the top side, and the remaining opposite sides will be of negative points. Okay, and we always represent a coordinates of a point as x comma y in a bracket, where x is the x coordinate and y is a y coordinate. Clear? Now let us write one more point, minus 2 comma minus 1. Where is it? On x we have to check where is minus 2, here is minus 2. On y we have to check minus 1. This is minus 2 and this is minus 1. This is a point minus 2 comma minus 1. Clear? You do understand? Shall we start our exercise? Let's do. Look at these questions here. He gave, write the quadrants in which these points lie, and he gave, write the abscissa and ordinates of a given point, and he is asking us to plot the points. So better let us take a normal plain graph and realize everything. Clear? This is x and this is y coordinate. Okay, let us put something 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Clear? Now let us check. This is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. Clear? Now minus 2 comma 3, that is x coordinate is minus 2 and y coordinate is 3. In which coordinate it lies? That is in Q2. Clear? And the next, minus 7 comma minus 6. X is minus 7, y is minus 6. In which coordinate it is? Quadrant 3. Yes or no? Look at this next question, 3 comma 0. X is 3, y is 0. There is no y. That means it lies on x axis only. Will it lie on some coordinate? No, it lies on x axis. Clear? Now 0 comma minus 6. X is 0, y is minus 6. Where does it lie? It lies on y axis. It does not belong to any coordinate. Okay? Fine. See here, write abscissa and ordinates of a given points. Abscissa bole to x coordinate and the ordinate means y coordinate. So let us write abscissa is 5 minus 5 here. Ordinate is 3. Here abscissa is 5 and ordinate is 0. Right? Good. Now let us point all these points and check what he is expecting us to observe something. Let us see what is it. 1 comma 0. X is 1, y is 0. Okay. Second point is 3 comma 0. X is 3, y is 0. Okay. And the next minus 2 comma 0. X is minus 2 and y is 0. Next minus 5 comma 0. Here it is. And the next 0 comma 0, that is this. Okay. And the next 5 comma 0, this is the point, and minus 6 comma 0, this is the point. What did you observe? Tell me. These all points lie on a same line. Here all points lie on same line, that is x axis, right? If all points lie on a same line, then we can call it as collinear points. Therefore these are called as collinear points. Clear? This is a new word. Remember, these all points are called as collinear points. Why collinear? Because all points lie on a same line. Is it clear? Did you understand? Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. Look at this question here. He is asking to plot these 3 points and he is asking us to join them. Okay, and he is asking us to find the area of the shape. How do we find? Let us do now. That is, let us draw a neat simple graph. Right? Check first. In x-axis the minimum number is, the maximum is 6, and the y-axis the maximum is 7. Okay, let us put numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. You can go up to any point. Okay, but make sure that you should get these points. And in the y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and let us go till minus 7 here also. Is it fine? Now plot them. 2 comma 3. X is 2, y is 3. Is it right? Let us put this as point A. Okay. And the next 6 comma 3. Let us put it as A. X is 6, y is 3. Right? Here let us put it as point B. Okay. And the next 4 comma 7. X is 4, y is 7. Let us put it as point C. Now join them. This is the, what shape is that? The shape formed is a triangle. What is the area of a triangle? Half into base into height. Right? Base bole to the distance between A and B. What is the distance from 2 to 6? Tell me. That is 4. Height. What is the height from B to C? 3 to 7. That is nothing but again 4. 2 1 the 2 2. So answer is 8 square units. This is the area. Is it not easy to solve? This is the area. This is square units. Square units. Because we don't know whether it is centimeter or meter. Is it fine? Once again, see here, he gave 3 points. We have to plot them in a graph and join all the points. We'll get a shape. That shape is nothing but a triangle. What's the area of a triangle? Half into base into height. The base is AB. AB is, how much is it? 2 to 6 is 4. Height is BC. Again 3 to 7 is again 4. Therefore, it becomes half into 4 into 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4 2s is 8 square units. Clear? Similarly, look at this question. Here we have these many points. He is asking to join 2 points and check what do we get. Shall we do? See here. Check, the maximum number is 9 on x-axis and y is also 9. So let us draw a very big graph in which we have to get all 9 points. Okay. This is x, this is y. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear? Here also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8 and minus 9. Shall we plot? See here. 1, 0, x is 1, y is 0. 0, 9, x is 0, y is 9. Where is it? X is 0, y is 9, somewhere here. Okay. Now let us join these both from here to here. Okay. And the next 2, 0, 0, 8. X is 2, 0, 0, 8. Let us plot these both. Okay. And the next 3, 0, 0, 7. Here is 3, 0, here is 0, 7. Let us join these both. Fine. Similarly 4, 0, 0, 6. Again these 2 points let us plot. Again 5, 0, 0, 5. 5, 0, 0, 5. Let us join these two. Next 6, 0, 0, 4. Again these two. Next 7, 0, 0, 3. Again next 8, 0, 0, 2 and 1, 0. This is one more point. Clear? What do you observe here? Here we are getting different lines and all these joined together. Right? What do you observe here? Here we get some kind of shape like this. Here a curve is formed by using all these points. Clear? You can write all those. Clear? Did you understand all these kinds? What did we learn in this chapter? We started with what is coordinate geometry, what is xy axis, what are coordinates. Then we learned how to plot them in a graph. We learned how do we find the area. Okay, we learned how to plot and draw all those lines to form a small building kind of things, rectangles. Clear? You understand? Fine. This is the end of the chapter. Let us meet in the next session with the new chapter of 9th class. Thank you.